Hi guys. So SUBST function or substitute function, what does it do? This function searches a list for an old item and returns a copy of the list with a new item substituted in place of every occurrence of the old item. Let's have an example. So we have identified the variable LST with this value here, C, D, and E. So we are setting this list into our variable LST. That will be our list to be manipulated. Now, if I issue the subst command or function, and I replace the B with the double B, from the LST variable, so all of the occurrence of B will be replaced with BB. In this case, we only have one, so this one will becomes BB, double B. Yep. Let's do one more thing. LST, let's substitute the value of the list CD with the value of X in our LST variable. One more parenthesis here. So this occurrence of CD was replaced with X. Okay? Now, how does this substitute works if we apply it into the actual definition data of the AutoCAD object? We have here a line. Let's try substituting the layer of that line with a new layer. Let's just list out this is currently in layer 0. Let's see how many layers we have in this drawing. We have another layer called stair with a red color. Let's replace this line layer from 0 to stair. First, let's get the data definition. Set QA and get of end last. So this is our definition for that line. Okay, this is the one that we are interested in replacing with a new value. This is the layer. So all we have to do is set QA substitute. What is our new value? So how are we going to compose this association list? Remember the cons? So all we have to do is issue the cons. We will be constructing a dotted pair. So cons 8 of our layer, which is the stair. Basically, we are mimicking the way this 8.0 is being constructed with this cons 8 stair. So it will return us a dotted pair of 8 dot stair. And we are replacing this association list. So remember the ASOC? We are using that here, ASOC of 8 of the A. And we are doing that from the variable A list. Okay? Let's try that. One more parenthesis. Now we have stair. But there is one function that will modify the definition data from the AutoCAD database, and it should always be used when you are using the SUBST command, so that whatever change you made in the definition data, it will be saved into the AutoCAD drawing database. So we have to use the entmod command or entmod function. All right, let's do that. There you go. We now have here the stair, and at the same time it reflects into the AutoCAD drawing database. So that's about it for the substitute. By the way, before I forget, there is another function that always goes after the end mod. It is the end update. The purpose of this is to just regenerate the drawing in the AutoCAD window. So we have to issue the end update of end last. All right. So in the next video, we are going to discuss the last function. I'll see you there.